Alright guys, this is an unboxing of something I got on eBay. So let's go ahead and try and rip this open here. So this is what I got. This is a Bitcoin miner, and the more research I do on this, the more I'm like, maybe this wasn't the best investment ever. But basically you can plug this into a computer and mine bitcoins with it. That's specifically what it's meant to do. I'm still going to have to look up the correct software to use. If anybody out there is using this, go ahead and put in the comments what successful software you're using, or mining groups or whatever. I really am not sure how to use this thing, so I got to do some more research. And this tape really doesn't want to come off. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I got it on eBay. Maybe I'll put a link to my Patreon down below if you like this video. Also put a link to eBay, so you can get something like this if you want. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day.